Today, we're keeping it simple and delicious. We're talking about how to boil corn on the cob. If you're a corn lover, stick around for the perfect technique. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose fresh corn. The first step is to choose fresh corn. You can select fresh corn at the grocery store or farmer's market. Step 2. Husking the corn. Before boiling, husk the corn and remove the silk. Step 3. Boiling water. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Step 4. Adding salt and corn to boiling water. Add a pinch of salt to the boiling water for flavor. Then, carefully place the husked corn into the pot. Step 5. Boiling time. Boil the corn for about 8 to 10 minutes. Step 6. Testing for doneness. After the boiling time, test for doneness by piercing a kernel with a fork. It should be tender but still have a bit of crispness. Step 7. Removing and draining corn. Once done, carefully remove the corn from the pot and let it drain briefly. Step 8. Optional, butter and seasoning. For added flavor, you can butter the corn while it's still warm. Step 9. Serving and enjoying. And there you have it. Perfectly boiled corn on the cob. Boiling corn on the cob is a straightforward yet delightful cooking method. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.